Niaje wasee, Oppo wamefanya ile kitu. We've been using the Oppo Reno series since to jump into the bandwagon from the Oppo Reno 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Na sasa ndio hiyo Oppo Reno 8 na ni 5G. Now, one of the things nataka kusema from about this phone, na since nitoe tu kwa box, the first thing that I fell in love with was design yake. Ukiangalia ina come in two color options. Kuna the shimmer black na the shimmer gold. And you know, the gold is for people who love something that's a bit more fancy, but for me niko laid back. The Oppo Reno 8 in the shimmer black works for me. Ukiangalia kutoka umbali, it gives you that vibe of it's a textured finish, but when you come to it, it's smooth to the touch. And I love how Oppo, you know, operate their color material and finish. They do an amazing job. Ukiangalia, you know, out hapa kwa power button wamepiga accent. You know, when you come to the front, you might mistake it, you know, from for the 6 or the 7, but kuna kitu different hapa, and that's the, you know, the new Sony flagship sensor. Lakini generally feel yake ni fiti. And you know, the phone has gone a bit bigger from the 6 and the 7, and that accommodates a bigger battery, which tutaongea pale kwa full review. Lakini design wise hii kitu inakaa fiti sana. And I like the fact that hapa kwa camera housing kuna vile wame contour na wame raise. So this is, you know, the new technology. They are trying to use one plate to do the whole back instead of having to cut out the camera housing and the back in two different things, but they've cut it out from one piece. Na venye wame blend, it is seamless. Easy flat edges za back. You know, they make this phone just pop out and scream, you know, I'm an amazing device. And the way they've done those camera rings, ile kitu inakushow kwanza ni ati hii phone haijakam ku play in the camera department. Hizi camera rings na katu fiti. And you know, for the 2 or 3 days that I've been using this device, inachukua amazing photos. Hata before uingia pale kwa 50 megapixel mode, it churns out great amazing images. Now I can't wait for you guys to experience your images for yourself, but it does quite a good job when it comes to the camera department. Now not only does it have great cameras, iko na chip moja fiti sana, inatumia the MediaTek Dimensity 1300. Na hii chipset ina empower 5G. So hii phone ita roll out with 5G outside the box, which will help it to have the next generation of communication. And I just can't wait to test this phone out in 5G. You know, mimi pale kwa time yangu mi upenda, you know, kucheza ma COD na nini, and I can't imagine, you know, that kind of fast speed, amazing chipset, robust phone, easy to feel, easy to play, and you know, just how to experience it not only in the gaming department but even in my daily use. So tupatane pale kwa full review, because I have a lot to say about this device. I've been using it for a short time. I can't wait to use it even for way much longer. But this is a device that you guys should look out for once it launches in the Kenyan market. So, back then, wacha niingie COD. Peace out.